So, hi, Michael. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and where you're based?
Yes, I've been teaching English in this way since 2012 now. Um, Before that, I spent most of my working life in Tanzania, in East Africa. But now I live in Sandwich, very nice small town in southeast England. Um, Good town. We've got shops nearby and the pubs nearby. We can walk everywhere, and it's a great place to live. So that's where I'm based, and that's where I
Sounds
come.
good. Yeah. And what do you enjoy most about teaching students in your home?
I like the personal interaction. You know, when somebody comes over, you're going to be with that person a lot for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 week, and it's a very intense kind of relationship, really. But I enjoy the interaction. I enjoy listening to hearing about what the student does, and I enjoy the chance to tell my anecdotes as well. So it's about creating a kind of empathic relationship. That's the most important thing.
It is. And what does a typical day with a student look like?
Well, if all goes according to the plan, which usually it does, we'll have breakfast about 8:30 in our kitchen, which you see there all together, and student and me. Then, which is kind of allows us to do a bit of a warm up. Then we do our class lessons, which are usually between 9 o'clock and 1 o'clock, with a break in the middle if the student wants it. Sometimes the break is take time off. Sometimes we walk down the town and have a coffee, and that's good. Then we'll have a rest. Then we'll have lunch, usually about 1:30. Anne prepares that. The afternoons depend. Either we're going to go out in the afternoon, but often that's a kind of rest period, down period, both for me and the client. And then in the evening, it depends. Sometimes we pop out for a pint. Sometimes we go for a walk out in the town. Quite often we have people for supper. We're very sociable people, which I like because it gives the clients other voices to listen to.
Absolutely.
Usually pack it up about 9 o'clock, so something like that, 9:30, and then student goes off to his own room or we watch TV.
Perfect. And what do you think students often say they enjoy most about learning with you?
I'd like to say they like my lessons, but the thing that they most talk about, at least in the feedback, is Anne's cooking and the wonderful food. And their kind of favourite stories tend to be about the kind of social events that we have, which are kind of fun and allow them to talk about their English, you know. But hopefully the lessons are interesting too. But when I look at the feedback, I don't hear so much about that as I hear about the social life and the food.
Okay, thank you very much, Michael.
Okay.